NA-145 Okara-III, NA-145 Okara-III Urdu. NA-145 Okara-III was a constituency for the National Assembly of Pakistan, comprising mainly Renala Khurd Tehsil. After the 2018 delimitations, it was abolished, and its areas were included in the constituencies of NA-141 Okara-I and NA-143 Okara-III. Election 2002. General elections were held on 10 Oct 2002. Sid Gulzar Sabtain Shav PMLQ1 by 39,391 votes. Election 2008. General elections were held on 18 Feb 2008. Sid Samsim Ali S. Bakari of PPP won by 64,607 votes. Election 2013. General elections were held on 11 May 2013. Sid Mohammed Ashik Hussain Shah PML and won by 89,025 votes and became the member of National Assembly.